Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing YouTube and confirming basics that matter. First, force stop the app from the TV's app menu so it fully reloads. This clears temporary glitches. Next, test your Wi-Fi speed and move the router or TV closer if below 5 Mbps. Also check the TV's firmware version, because outdated system firmware often blocks app updates. Once done, power cycle the TV and router together. Wait 30 seconds. Then reopen the app to see if the update proceeds. Now you tackle deeper app issues by removing corrupted data and reinstalling YouTube. Go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, and clear cache and data. This removes bad configs that block updates. If that doesn't work, uninstall the app through the TV's App Store or System Manager, then reinstall the latest version. Reboot the TV once more after reinstall. Sign back into your account and test Playback. If signing fails, check two-factor prompts on your phone and reauthorize the device. Finish with advanced options when the normal steps fail. If updates still won't install, perform a factory reset, backup settings and app logins first, because it resolves deep software conflicts. Alternatively, download and install the TV firmware via USB from the manufacturer if over-the-air updates fail. Make sure the TV isn't blocked by your network. Switch DNS to 8 and confirm ports aren't restricted. Key troubleshooting tip. If problems persist, try a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to isolate TV versus network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.